So I usually scrape my loft as much as I can, and when I'm done scraping with my loft, put all the things that I get from the pigeon loft in my garden, as well as I have a small area where I throw some of those droppings along with some. It has some seeds in it, and look what I have. I have a whole bunch of wheat growing, and some of this wheat is ready to go. So what I do is I take them and sometimes I pluck them by the entire plant. But you can see the plant came off, and I just throw it in my loft, and the birds like to munch on it. So you can see them. I already gave them some. They're eating on it, and let's see. They ate a whole bunch of them. They really enjoy it. You think like I've been giving them so much wheat and they might be tired of it, but this has something like a different feeling. They really enjoy it. I don't really like to talk during my videos, but I thought I would do a little bit of talking this time so that people get an idea of what is the background story and all. Look at that. Something happened, they all got scared and took off. They'll come back. They'll love it, so they're gonna come back. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of breeds in here. You can see a dewlap over there. A lot of homers. A lot of homers in different red colors. And you can see some rollers too in between. There's a bottler's roller. There's a ballhead bottler's roller with some sooty. Young dominical homer. There's some Lebanons over there. The black white bar, the lace tails, are my favorite. That's a nice black Indian Fanta youngster from this year. I think I posted a video of that as a squeaker. It's maturing pretty nicely. And there's some bath water. Now it's so hot over here. It's more than 80 degrees. So I put bath water every day in the afternoon, and they all jump in and take a bath. So hot. You can see a young stripper almond roller over there. Nice blue ball and roller over there. You might be hearing some noises of people talking. All my neighbors at this time, it's the evening. Everybody is having a few drinks and enjoying this nice weather. So excuse that, but it's all nice and pretty nice area that I live. People are very kind to each other, and they're helpful, and they don't mind my birds. So I'm very thankful. That's a nice crested saddle homer over there. That's something that I've been working on. Crested homers, and I have few other crested homers. I posted a video yesterday about two crested youngster homers. So this is a ballless grizzle saddle homer. Some of my favorite Dominopals. And I don't know if you guys know, my brother's name is Jitu Thomas. He lives in Canada. He has a YouTube channel too. And he raises Indian fantails and rare color homers. And he has black white bar Lebanons too, and as well as he has yellow white bar, polished links, all kind of stuff. So that blue white bar Dominopal bird is actually came from my brother's loft. That is his bloodline. As one of the, if you can look at the shape of the body and everything, it's a very nice bird. I really like that. It's been my main foundation for opals in my loft. It comes from my brother's loft. Again, they go scared. I don't really like to do long videos, but some people have asked me to do some longer videos, so I guess, hey, today's the day. Y'all can enjoy that. That's a really nice young dilute almond homer over there. There's a brown homer over here. You can see a crested hen over there. It's a nice crested hen. One of my Indian fantails over there. That is a homozygous Andalusian saddle over there. Here's the blue white bar homer that I was talking about earlier. They came from my brother's loft. I raised two nice. I got two. Actually, I have two nice cockbirds from his loft, and I raised some nice youngsters this year. My other lofts also, I did it. I threw these wheat in there too, and all the birds are enjoying it. I don't want to move my phone around too much because I'm doing all this on a smartphone. Some saddle homers. That's a Saxon powder. It's a yellow Saxon powder carrying Isabel. Some Birmingham Rollos. You can see the crested homer over there. It's a cream bar. Her male is at a Dominopal cockboy. That's a Mookie over there. There's a nice Dominopal Mookie that I raised this year. There's an almond ballhead roller over there. See the Dominopal drinking some water. Yeah, put some of those dog balls over there because they enjoy. Some of the smaller birds even take a small bath in there, but I have to dump the water quite often because I don't like to see the water getting dirty and birds drinking from it. Here's a nice almond cockbird ballhead roller. He's a few years old. He's darkening by age. Yeah, that's a reversing powder, black reversing powder hen. She's a young bird from this year. One of my older almond cockbirds is a stipper. That's a nice saddle homer that I raised. It's a grizzle saddle homer. It's a beautiful, solid black Indian fantail caught over there. Look, getting pecked over there. There's another saddle over there. Everybody thinks there's an almond, but there's actually a grizzle saddle over there. There's a beautiful blue bar hen over there, Homer. She carries ballless. There's a silver hen from last year. There's a recessive red cockpot over there carrying pencil. more than 10 minutes. I guess I'll quit it right now. So goodbye for the time being. I hope you guys enjoyed it.